I'm Peter. Welcome to PD Tech for another professional guide.
And I'm Duan. From bookkeeping to technical automation, we are the back office partner your contracting business deserves.
Watch this video to learn how to run and use the balance sheet to get a clear financial overview of your organization at a chosen date. To view the balance sheet report, click Reporting, then select Balance Sheet from the Favorite Reports section. The balance sheet is a powerful financial report that summarizes your organization's financial position at a specific point in time. Think of it like a snapshot. It shows accounts categorized by what your business owns, assets, what it owes, liabilities and the owner's investment, equity. First, choose a report date using the preset dates or a custom date. We'll choose end of last month. Xero makes it easy to tailor your balance sheet. Use the settings and filters at the top of the report to choose the information you want to see. Choose to compare with other periods, whether that's days, months, quarters, or years. We'll choose 2 months, so we can see how the financial position has changed over the past 3 months. If you've set up tracking categories, filter the balance sheet to see specific segments of your business. To further customize the report, click the More button. Change the accounting basis. Include accounts with zero balances or activity, and show or hide the accounting basis, account codes, and decimals as needed. Then click Update to run the report. To make it even easier to run the balance sheet report, Xero has common formats, which are already configured to show information according to the format title. This means you don't need to customize the report yourself. Click the report, and it's ready to view. Click the arrow to expand the side panel on the left and choose a common format. Let's choose Monthly Comparison. Once you've run the report, it's incredibly interactive. Click any balance in the report. Xero opens the Account Transactions report, showing you the individual transactions that make up that balance. This is really helpful if you need to investigate unusual or unexpected balances. And if you click Current Year Earnings, Xero takes you to your profit and loss report, connecting your current performance to your overall financial position. Sometimes you may see an account with a negative balance. For example, sales tax defaults to show in the Liabilities section of the balance sheet, but if you're due a refund, it would show as a negative balance because the refund is an asset. We can add a switch rule, so Xero automatically moves the account to the correct section if it becomes negative. Click Edit Layout to open the report editor. Scroll to find the account you want to add a switch rule to. Sales tax is under the Current Liabilities section of the report. Click the section heading, which is also known as the account group. Click Move Negative Balances switch in the Rules section at the side of the screen. Configure the rule to decide where Xero should move negative balances to. We'll choose Current Assets from the list for our example. Then click Done. Finally, click Update Layout to save the change and return to the report. We can now see Xero has moved the negative sales tax balance to the Current Assets section. Once you've customized your report, you can save it for next time, so you don't need to customize the default report every time. Click Save As and choose the relevant option. Export the report to share it outside of Xero with others if needed. Now you're ready to use the balance sheet to check your business's financial position.